In this video, we will learn how to find out the equilibrium level of income for the data given. Question is, what will be the equilibrium level of income for data given below for an economy? Consumption is equal to 50 plus 0.8 y subscript d. C is the consumption, 0.8 is the moral propensity to consume, and y subscript d denotes the disposable income. Taxes are 20%, that is the marginal tax rate is 20%. Investment is autonomous, which is 100, and government spending, which is also autonomous, is 30 here. Okay, so we know that for an economy at equilibrium, our total income should be equal to the consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government spending. Okay, that gives us, so y will be equal to, so what's consumption function? That is 50 plus 0.8. okay, and what is the disposable income? Disposable income is the total income minus the taxes that are being paid on that very income. That is y minus marginal tax rate times y plus autonomous investment is 100 here, and we have the government spending is 30. Solving further, so y will be equal to 50 plus 0.8. Now this term denotes our disposable income. Okay, so because we know total disposable income is equal to total income minus the taxes paid on the total income. Remember this fact here. So here we have y minus, so what is t? It is 20%, so 20% can be written as 0.2. So we write 0.2 y plus we have 100 and 30. Okay, or y will be equal to 50 plus 0.8. Now subtract 0.2 y from y, we will get 0.8 y plus we have 100 plus 30 is 130, or y will be equal to, so we have 130 plus 50, it is 180, plus 0.8 into 0.8 is 0.64 y. Okay, now transpose this term here, so we have y minus 0.64 y will be equal to 180, or we will get 36 here, that is 0.36 y will be equal to 180, or 36 can be, 0.36 can, 0.36 can be written as 36 upon 100, y is equal to 180, which implies y will be equal to 180. Now transpose this term, it gets multiplied but reciprocated, it becomes 100 divided by 36. Now this will be our equilibrium level of income. Okay, specifically if we solve it, and I don't have the space here, 100 upon 180, so here we have 18 1, 2 and 3, 18,000 divided by 36. Okay, so here we will get 18 ones are 18 twos are, so then we have 1, 2 and 3, it is 1000 upon 2, which is equal to 500. That means equilibrium level of income for this given data for an economy will be 500. I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.